Hey everyone, welcome to Holistic Workshop. I wanted to introduce the man, rather the boy behind the scenes, our Chief Technical Officer, our son Abhay Agarwal. Abhay, please tell us about yourself.
Alright, hi everyone, my name is Abhay. I'm a junior in high school and I've been working at a Holistic Workshop for a few years now. My primary responsibilities have been editing and filming the videos, and I've really just been in charge of the technical aspects of Holistic Workshop.
But we have metamorphosed somewhat. We have been producing these videos which hopefully you all have been enjoying and learning. But Abhay came to us with a vision. So how do you plan on implementing your vision using Holistic Workshop as a platform?
So at Holistic Workshop, we really focus on the health and wellness of our community and people. But I felt that health and wellness goes past the individual sphere, and it also encompasses helping others and helping others achieve that same status of wellness. So we have started a charitable branch to our organization. And essentially, we want to partner with we have partnered with several nonprofit organizations, and we are helping raise money for these organizations.
So what impact have we as Holistic Workshop made so far after you implemented your vision? Would you share?
Yeah, so we've held a few workshops where we have raised money for this new wing of our organization, and through this we have partnered with a nonprofit organization in India that is helping provide education primarily to underprivileged girls who are, traditionally they do not have the same opportunities. And this money is going towards these children, and we are helping provide an education for them.
That's a great initiative. What other charities have we supported so far?
So we are also partnering with two other organizations. One of them is going to help in conservation efforts, and another one is a cultural organization which is promoting the use of art as a means of connecting people around the world.
So that's great. So now you know where Holistic Workshop is headed. We will certainly be involved in promoting health, but when you look at the World Health Organization definition of wellness, it is just not physical, but it's mental and spiritual as well. And that's where Holistic Workshop is headed. So food for your mind, body, and soul. So thank you so much for all the work you have been doing behind the scenes. I wanted to unveil him in front of the world, and we look forward to your continued efforts, and I wish you luck.
All right, thank you so much.
All right, signing off from Holistic Workshop. Stay tuned for our next video.